How to create posts in Edits and Instagram app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to create a post in Edits and Instagram app, here in this home screen at the bottom right, you can see this plus icon. Tap on it. If you haven't already, grant the permission for all the videos and photos. After that, you can easily access your gallery or files in your phone. You can choose the files that you want to edit. You can select multiple ones. Once you select enough videos and photos for the post that you want to create, you can tap on this tick mark at the top right. Now it will load all those files over here and you can start editing them now. You can add transitions, you can add sounds, you can add text, you can add songs. It has all those features. You can explore through the features over here. You can add different stickers. You can add overlays. And once you are done editing everything, if you are ready to create a post with this, at the top right, you can see this export button. Tap on it. You have to wait for a few moments. And there you go. The post has been successfully created. You can now share them on your Instagram or your Facebook accounts. It will also be saved on your projects, so you can use this file in the future too. That's it. That's how you can easily create posts on Edits and Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.